Hey gang, Jerry here. In today's video, we're gonna shoot a really quick video on how to reset your oil life monitor on your Cadillac XT5. Now this should work on 2017 to 2021 model Cadillac XT5s. So what we'll do is we'll get in the vehicle. I'll turn you around. Here's our Cadillac. We'll go ahead and start our vehicle. Now you can see on the info panel it says change engine oil soon, and to dismiss that, you know, if before you change your oil, you just hit the select button and you can, you know, get out of that menu. Otherwise it'll display and you'll be able to see whatever you have up on your menu screen. Now to reset your oil life monitor, you can simply scroll to the right, scroll up or down. I'm scrolling down to find your oil life. You can see my oil life is at 0%. We did change our oil, so now we're ready to reset it. But let me show you one step. If you don't see your oil life monitor on the right menu screen, is scroll down till you find options right here. Hit the select button, scroll to info pages, hit the select button, and then scroll down till you see oil life monitor or oil life. Right there, and you want to make sure that there's a check mark next to it. If there's not, you simply hit the select button to get the check mark there, and then you'll be able to see it in your right menu screen. Hit the left button to get out of here, hit the left button one more time to get out of here, and just hit the down button to return to your normal menu screen. Now we can go back to our right menu by hitting the right button, scroll again till we find our oil life monitor. There we go. And now you're going to hold the select button for about 4 seconds. You'll hear a beep and it changed to 100%. Not too bad. And then you can scroll back to where you normally have whatever you know, setting you have on your right menu screen, and then hit the left button to get out. Well, there you have it, gang. There's how you reset the oil life monitor on a Cadillac XT5, and I believe this covers 2017 to 2021 model years. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see a lot more content like this. And remember, gang, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.